Hi everyone. All right, we're going to try something new. Pivot Interactives is a website that kind of has labs already laid out. This will be really useful actually without a lot of the equipment that we would need in class. The only catch is we got a free trial because of COVID. I've got about 15 days left on it, I think. But I want to play around with it and use it for the time being. So I want you guys to join a class. I have created a class for you. So go ahead and go to join a class, of course, up here at the top. And then it says that you're actually going to need a class key. So the class key is 4425D. Oop, gotta go back. 5D 4425D 260. All right, so continue. Of course, you'll see that it's Early Bird Physics 333. It's me. And you're going to then fill out your information right here. I'm going to actually do it with my Gmail just so that I have something to play around with as a test. I want you guys, though, don't make this mistake, please. I want you guys to use your NTHS email address for this one, okay? But I'm at... where's the at gmail.com. As much as I'd love password. iPad password. iPad create a password for this website. I guess I can use the strong one, and then if it's saved, that's cool. If you guys want to create your own, that's fine too. I'm just going to use theirs though. Alright, mbake9. Looks like it didn't get the at. So at. There we go. Alright, should be good now. See if it lets me. Alright, so I haven't really done much with it, but you can see I have an assignment there on the speed of sound, which is what I want to start. But of course, go ahead and create your pivot interactive, and then we're going to kind of play around with this, alright? I'll see you guys soon.